Bonjour, c'est madame. Okay, mes petits. So, what you're going to need to have with you right now is your vocab sheet for chapitre 1b and a pen or pencil, okay? Because what you're going to do as we're going through this is any words that were unknown or unfamiliar to you, or maybe you're just not sure about them, you're going to write those down. And the meanings of them, you're going to write them down, and any other notes that you might want to take. You get to write those down on your vocab sheet. So if you don't have that out already, take a minute, pause the video, take a minute, go find your vocab sheet, and then come on back. Okay, d'accord. Alors, here we go. On y va. So we're now talking about adjectives de personnalité, right? So adjectives that we usually describe people's personalities with, okay? But they can be used to describe other things as well, okay? So here we go. On commence avec content. And content, that's very easy. It's a cognate, content or happy. Our next one is triste. Triste, ça veut dire sad. Following that, we have heureux, heureuse. So, heureux or heureuse actually means happy. It's another way to say happy, okay? You might be familiar with the adverbs with the adverb heureusement, which means fortunately or happily, okay? Which is related to this adjective heureux, heureuse, oui, okay? And just another note with this, we do not pronounce the H at the beginning, okay? So it's actually silent. Heureux, heureuse. Okay. Now, closely related to that, we have malheureux, malheureuse, which very similarly, obviously, means unhappy, okay? And yes, also related to the adverb malheureusement, right? Malheureusement, which malheureusement means unfortunately or unhappily, right? So malheureux, malheureuse, unhappy, oui. Pauvre Tigrou. Tigrou, il est malheureux, oui. Okay, bon, on continue. Sympa ou gentil, gentille. Ça veut dire nice, okay? So sympa is actually short for sympathique, right? But sympa, since it's a shortened version, actually sympa never changes spellings. So we just leave it like that. But a synonym, gentil, gentille, this one does change spellings, okay? This is our masculine singular form, and over here, our feminine singular form, gentil, gentille. Okay, bon. On continue. Méchant. Méchant, ça veut dire mean. And I remember this one because actually all four of the letters for mean are in English are in this word, M-E-A-N, méchant. Okay. Mot suivant, next one, timide. And timide, that is a cognate, so it means timid or shy. Après ça, after that, we have sociable. Sociable. So we look at this and, of course, we want to say, oh, it's a cognate. It means sociable. True. Yes, that is correct. C'est vrai. However, how many times in English do you describe somebody as being sociable? Probably not very often, right? So yes, it can mean sociable, but more often, I think in English, we say talkative or outgoing, right? Okay, so if someone's talkative or outgoing, you would use sociable. Oui? Okay, bien. Après ça, modeste. Modeste, also a cognate. Ça veut dire modest or humble, oui. La Mère Thérèse, Mother Teresa, oui, la Mère Thérèse, elle était très modeste. She was very humble, oui. Et le contraire, égoïste, oui, égoïste. Ça veut dire egotistical, conceited, like stuck up, selfish, oui. Kind of all those rolled into one. Égoïste, ça c'est un insulte, oui, oui. So, le frère, ici, oui, il est très égoïste, oui. Il est très égoïste. Okay, bon. Next one, we have travailleur, travailleuse. Travailleur, travailleuse, ça veut dire hardworking. Okay, hardworking. So we have the masculine version here, travailleur, and the feminine version, travailleuse. Ça veut dire hardworking. Okay, après ça, le contraire. Paresseux, paresseuse, ça veut dire lazy. Okay, paresseux, paresseuse, lazy. Okay, and actually in French there is. Let me see if I can pull this up. Whoop. In French, there is the noun un paresseux, oui, okay, un paresseux, which means a sloth. Oui, yeah, okay, which I don't know that sloths are particularly lazy, but I know they are slow moving, and that kind of makes them seem like they're lazy, oui, so ça c'est un paresseux, oui, is a sloth, but the adjective paresseux, paresseuse means lazy, oui. Okay. Après ça, agréable. Agréable, oui, ça veut dire agreeable, oui. But what does that really mean, right? Okay. So, agréable, if you're agreeable, it means you're easy to get along with, right? Okay. Easy to get along with. Okay. Le contraire, désagréable, disagreeable. So if you're disagreeable, you're somebody that you're kind of difficult to get along with, right? Maybe you are unhappy with things all the time, or you create a lot of drama. Oui, that's désagréable. Okay. Après ça, another nice cognate, poli, polite. Et le contraire, impoli, impolite. More cognates, woohoo, we love them. Patient, oui, patient. Le chien, il est très patient, oui, il est très patient. Et le contraire, impatient, impatient. Le monsieur, il est très impatient. Okay, après ça, optimiste. Optimiste, ça veut dire optimistic. So you see the glass as being half full. Optimiste, optimistic. Et le contraire, pessimiste, wah wah, ça veut dire pessimistic. You see the glass as being half empty. Oui, pessimiste, pessimistic. Okay, après ça, amusant. Amusant, ça veut dire fun, right? So this is one that definitely you could use to describe a person, like, oh, il est très amusant, like, oh, he's really fun. Or you could always use it to describe other things as well, like la classe. La classe est très amusante. Or le concert est très amusant, right? Okay, so this one can be used for people or things very easily. Okay, le contraire de amusant, c'est pénible. Pénible, annoying or a pain, oui. Le petit frère là, il est très pénible, oui. Oui, oui. Okay, another easy cognate, intelligent, oui. Love cognates. Then we heard le contraire de intelligent, c'est bête, oui, bête. Stupid or dumb, ça veut dire stupid or dumb. And actually, here's a little interesting note. There is a noun in French, une bête, which means a beast, oui, okay. So, for instance, like la belle et la bête. Qu'est-ce que c'est, la belle et la bête? Beauty and the Beast. Oui, oui, c'est ça. D'accord? So, now, we know today that this is not true, but back hundreds and hundreds of years ago, people used to think that animals were stupid, right? So, une bête, a beast, came first, and then they started calling people bête. If you got called bête, it was like being told that you were as dumb as an animal or a beast. You were dumb like an animal or a beast, okay? Although now, today, we know that les animaux ne sont pas bêtes. Animals aren't really stupid, but oui. Okay, bon, on continue. Le mot suivant, c'est intéressant. Intéressant, okay? And this is another one, once again, that we could use very easily for both people or for things, right? La classe, c'est très intéressante. Or, il est très intéressant, right? Okay? Le contraire de intéressant, ennuyeux, ennuyeuse. Ça veut dire boring. Wah, wah, oui. Once again, this is something that you can use for people or things, oui? Après ça, on a courageux, courageuse, oui? Nice cognate, courageous or brave. Et le contraire, lâche. Lâche, ça veut dire cowardly, oui? The Wizard of Oz, le lion, il est très lâche. He's cowardly lion in The Wizard of Oz, oui? Okay, après ça, on a riche. Nice cognate, ça veut dire rich. Et pauvre, poor, wah wah, pauvre. All right, we have two here, drôle and marrant. Both of these adjectives, though, they're synonyms. They mean the same thing. They both mean funny, okay? Funny, not fun. Fun, that's amusant. These are funny, right? So, and drôle, marrant can be used for both people and things. Okay, après, on a prêt ou prête. Prêt ou prête, ça veut dire ready, okay? Ready. And honestly, you guys, I kind of threw this one in here because this is something that I ask very often in class, especially when we're about to play a game. I'll say, vous êtes prêt? Vous êtes prête? Are you ready? Right? Okay. So, prêt, prête, ça veut dire ready. Next, we have another nice cognate, sérieux, sérieuse. Ça veut dire serious. Okay, et puis après ça, fatigué. We all know fatigué, ça veut dire tired, oui. Et le contraire de fatigué, c'est énergique, energetic, énergique. Okay, presque fini, we're almost done here. We have fou, folle, ou dingue. Fou, folle, ou dingue, ça veut dire crazy, okay? So fou has an irregular feminine form, folle, oui. And dang is a synonym. It also means crazy, okay? All right, last one, normal. Great cognate, means normal. D'accord. Okay, so if you need to hear any of those again, just hit rewind, go back to where you need to hear them. Make sure you get these down in your notes and make sure you bring your vocab sheet with you to class next time I see you. Bravo, très bien, merci.